Good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching. How are you? Welcome to today's live stream. So today we have a tricky math puzzle where we are required to find if we can predict the pattern and the rule to follow. So hello everyone, you are welcome, you are mostly welcome. So let's engage on how we can solve this BODMAS or math puzzle challenge. In case you're watching for the first time, please comment. In case you're watching for the first time, kindly comment the rule to this game or the rule to this month's puzzle. It looks simple, but at least the numbers can be predicted. So you are all welcome. So you are told that don't doubt your answer. So just comment why it is right. Comment why your answer to this particular equation, given that 5 plus 6, what could it be? It is very tricky, but on the other hand, it looks a bit simple. What can be the answer is, if you look at the pattern, can you find, are we in a position to find what 5 plus 6 is? Looking at the pattern, we are told that 1 plus 2 is equals to 5, 2 plus 3 is equals to 10, 3 plus 4 is equals to 18, 4 plus 5 is equals to 28, 5 plus 6 is equals to what? So guys, you're told just comment your answer and you're gonna tell us what are you getting. Please comment. Remember to subscribe if you're new. Aligaginji, thank you, welcome. You're saying the answer is 11. Yes, of course, when you add 5 to 6, when you add 5 to 6, we're gonna end up with 11 for that case. Thank you for watching. So let me welcome everyone to this live stream. Please just comment the pattern or the rule followed in this tricky math puzzle, and why the rule is right. And also please remember to subscribe. You can like, comment, and subscribe. You can like, comment, and subscribe. We shall really appreciate. So where are you watching? How are you? How is everyone? Told it's a tricky math puzzle. Is it tricky anyway? Is it tricky? Thank you so much. Those who are finding it possible to like. Aliganja has also commented a very different for that technical hitch out. So Aliganja has commented that the answer to this trending math puzzle is that you're getting the answer as 40. If we add 5 plus 6 and looking at the pattern, what could be the best rule of this math puzzle? Sorry. So Aliganga has said the answer can be 11 and also commented that the answer is probably 40. So guys, how do we get 40? What could be the rule to this? Is it 40? Who else is watching? Kindly comment where you're watching us. Let's engage in the comment section. The possible solution to 5 plus 6, considering the pattern being followed. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment as you keep engaging in the comment section. 1 plus 2 is equals to 5. 2 plus 3 is equals to 10. And of course, 3 plus 4 is equals to 18. And 4 plus 5 is equals to 28. So how do we get 5 plus 6? So let's engage in the comment section. How to solve this tricky maths puzzle. And we are live. So Aliganja has come up with a rule. Thank you. And the rule is saying that we simply take a plus b and then we add 2. A plus b and then we're going to add 2. Does it really make sense? Does it apply to all? Thank you so much, Nameless, for coming. Thank you so much, Nameless, for coming. And you're saying that 5 plus 6, it's just taking 1 times 4. Or you're saying 1 times 4 is not equals to 5. One times 4 is not equals to 5. It's true 1 times 4 is 4, but not 5. So in case you're new, kindly leave a comment so that we welcome you. We usually do this live every day at the same time. So just feel welcome. Just comment and just tell us how your answer is correct. If you look at the pattern keenly, Aliganji has said 5 plus 6, the output is 40. 5 plus 6 is saying that the output is 40. So who else is watching? Please comment so that I give you a shout out. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe, comment, and then we're gonna celebrate you as we welcome you to this beautiful life. Borsius, welcome. You were here yesterday, you are here again. Thank you for supporting. I'm really glad you are welcome. Can you try solving this maths puzzle? Is it possible? Algandi is saying 5 plus 6, you're gonna get 40. And 6 plus 7, the answer is 54, while 7 plus 8, the answer is 70. So which pattern? What is the rule? You might be right, but what is the rule? Does it apply to every other puzzle here? Aliganja. case you're watching for the first time, kindly subscribe. Keep subscribing. So Algebra is saying you add 2 to the second number and then multiply the result with the first number. Let's try for the first one. Add 2 to the second number. Let's follow the rule for Algebra. Add 2 to the second number. So this is 4. And then multiply the result with the first number. So 2 times 1, 4 times 1. It will not give us 5. So it doesn't apply for the first one. For the second one, 5. 5 times 2 is 10. It works. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. It is really working here. And for this case, 5 plus 2, 7 times 4, 28. 7 plus 4 is 28. See, it is working here. And for this case, 8 times 5, 40. So it is really working for the 3, but not for the first one. G made sorry. So there's a problem with our camera. So we are told, don't doubt your answer, just comment why it is right. Let's see if Jim Edward is saying just take the first one, you subtract 1, and then the second one you just, for the first one is 1. Taking 1 minus 1, you're gonna get 0. Then you're gonna square the second one. If we square the second one, we shall get 4. So the first one doesn't match. Let's see the second one. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then you square the second one. It is really working there. But the first one, it doesn't work. Thank you for your contribution. Jim Edward. Stay tuned. So you want to check if it works for all of them. So who else is watching? Kindly comment. Nameless, you're saying you're not sure if there's a formula that works. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm pretty sure somebody will come up with the solution. We have great mathematicians here. We have very many mathematicians here who are gonna give us the possible one. So Anne and V the loan, you're saying that your answer can be 8 is equals to 40. Yes, welcome. And V is new, please comment. Turn your notification on so that tomorrow you don't wanna miss the next live stream. So Arna V, how are you getting 40? Please tell us which rule you think fits this math puzzle, given that 1 plus 2 is equals to 5, 2 plus 3 is equals to 10, 3 plus 4 is equals to 18, 4 plus 5 is equals to 28, 5 plus 6 is equals to what? Thomas Smith is also saying the answer is 40. Thomas Smith, welcome in the house. Kindly remember to like, tap that screen to like, comment so that you turn your notification on. You don't want to miss the tomorrow live. So just tell us the rule to getting 40. Thank you for subscribing. We are now at 1,719. We are really growing. And indeed, we are growing. Thomas Smith, where are you watching from? Can you predict what could be the answer apart from if it is 40? What rule have we used? Does it apply to all? And Ganja has also come up with another trick. We are really trying. And Gagji, you're really trying. You're saying that 5 plus 6 is equals to 39. So kindly show us how we're gonna end up with 39. How are we ending up with 39? Which rule do we follow here? Guys, you can also super chat us so that we buy a nice camera and a stand for the tutorials and live streams. You want to just comment also where you're watching us from. Which rule do we follow for 5 plus 6? Which rule best suits 1 plus 2 is equals to 5, 2 plus 3 10, and 3 plus 4 is equals to 18, 4 plus 5 is equals to 28. Now what is 5 plus 6? So Borsius has also come up with another explanation. Which rule? Borsius is saying if a is greater than 1, then a minus 1 if a is less than 1 and a is equals to a. So that means a plus b squared is equals to x. A plus b squared is equals to x. Tropical storm, welcome. Thank you, tropical storm. Thomas Smith is new here. Please remember to subscribe. Comment where you're watching from. Borsus is saying he used an inspiration from the others, which is good. Borsus is in the US. Thank you for that. Alganja has also come up with a different explanation towards that, and he's saying write the result as 5, 10, 18 and 28. The difference are positive 5, positive 8, positive 10. The gaps between those positive 2, they decrease by 1. Next gap is positive 1. Saying the next gap is positive 1. So adding positive 1 to positive 10, you're going to get 11. Add 11 to 28. You're going to get 39. Wow, very splendid explanation. So does this rule tick all the boxes? Let's confirm. Does it tick all the boxes? It is indeed a very tricky math puzzle, but we are all right. Just depend with how we're going to explain our answers. How we're going to explain our answers. Aliganji has explained it well. He has said that the gap between 5 and 10, 10 and 18 is 8. 18 and 28 is 10. And then taking another gap between the 5 and the 8. You're gonna get 3. And then the 8 and the 10. The gap is positive 2. So the answer is decreasing. So guys, what do you think about Algebra? Who else is supporting this move? Anissa Jabbar, welcome. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications on so that you don't miss tomorrow's live. Anissa Jabbar is saying the broad answer is 50. So let's see, how do we end up with 50 here? Is it possible to get 50 at this particular point? Is it possible to get 50? Let us see. Alganja is coming and saying again that each next result is equals to previous result. The next result is equal to the previous result plus the previous increase minus 1. Wow. Indeed, you are really explaining it. Indeed, you are really explaining it well. That the previous result plus the previous increase. Let me see. And Jabbar changed the mind and now is saying the answer is 45. The answer is 45. How are we getting 45? We just want the rule because you're told don't doubt your answer. Just comment why it is right. And we're gonna check it out. Anissa Jabbar, thank you, welcome. Like, subscribe, turn the notification on. Guys, you can also support by sending a super chat so that we purchase a camera. Very nice stand. Olivia Lahouse. Olivia is saying the answer is 21. How are getting 21 from this? 5 plus 6 is equals to 21. Is it possible to get 21 here? Or 45? This question can lead to brain cracking. It requires rethinking and thinking. Olivia Lahouse, welcome. You're very new. Kindly hit the subscribe button. We are at 1719. Let's keep growing. So if you're new, just comment what do you think about this, and then we're gonna discuss it. We're gonna discuss it. We're gonna discuss it here. Who else is thinking of a different opinion? To the 50, the 21, the 40. Matindri is getting the answer as 40. You are getting the answer to this as 40. Show us how you're getting 40. Who else is watching? Spiral honeycomb. You are really welcome. Spiral is saying, thank God you didn't put 6 plus 7. Because what could happen? What could be happening when it was 6 plus 7? Oliver House is commenting again that the answer could be 21. So guys, keep liking, keep tapping the screens. If you give us the answer, spiral honeycomb, and you just tell us which rule is it, does it satisfy all this? Olivia House, yes or no? Olivia, tell us why you're getting 21 so that we see if it's right. If it's indeed right, how do we end up with 21? Guys, you can comment where you're watching so that we just know the family. I have a latest upload on calculus. I just uploaded a tutorial today involving calculus. You want to check it out, where I explained the relationship between velocity, acceleration. I uploaded a video so that you want to check it out. Don't forget to check it out. Uploaded a video there involving calculus. So good people, go and support. Check it out how I explained it. But for this, we have 1 plus 2. We're going to get 50. 2 plus 3, 10. 3 plus 4, 18. 4 plus 5, 28. 5 plus 6 is equals to what? Kindly comment the rule that satisfies this puzzle. Olivia is saying 19 again. Thank you, Olivia, for showing us the answer as 19. Tom Long, you're new, welcome. Keep supporting. Remember to subscribe, turn your notification on. Turn your notifications on so that tomorrow you don't miss the live stream. Your answer is 40. Please, can you show us how you're gonna get 40 in this pattern? Have Tom Long. You are really welcome. So guys, we are at 1,719 subscribers. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe. Don't forget to watch the latest amazing calculus tutorial. I uploaded it today. You can check it out. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment that you are straight away coming from the live stream, and I will really appreciate by watching it. You'll have supported. We have Win is also saying the answer is 40. Thank you so much, Win. I really appreciate. Win is new. Please comment and subscribe. Turn your notification on. We usually have a live stream on a daily basis at the same time. So you supporting by liking, subscribing will really help us to grow the channel. You can also send a super chat and a super thanks so that we purchase that tripod stand or a camera stand. So Sawini says 40. How do we get 40 from here up to here? Is it possible? Is it possible to get 40? So Tom Long has explained that, let's see, 5 times 6, you're gonna get 30. 5 times 2, you're gonna get 10. 30 plus 40, 30 plus 10. 30 plus 10, you get 40. And you're indeed saying that the pattern doesn't work with the first one. So which pattern is best that suits all this? Is indeed a very tricky solution, but we are all right. Our opinions are right. As long as we just explain how we are getting the answer, then we shall really appreciate. So who else is watching, guys? Everyone is welcome. Everyone is welcome. We are still growing, and we're just testing our brain, a brain teaser. If you're watching from USA, in the UK, the Canada, the Australia, the India, or Africa, all are welcome. You are all welcome. So we have this tricky, indeed it is tricky math puzzle. Where we asked to find 1 plus 2 is equals to 5, 2 plus 3 is equals to 10, 3 plus 4 is equals to 18, and 4 plus 5 is 28, 5 plus 6 is equals to what? Are we in a position to compute how the pattern will run? Can you compute how this pattern will run? So let us see. Some are saying that the answer can be 40. Others are getting 21. Others are getting 11. If you look at this, does 11 suit this pattern? Does 40 suit this pattern? Please don't leave without commenting. Subscribe. Please check my latest upload on calculus, kinematics application on velocity, displacement, and time. The relationship between the two. Just don't forget to go and watch it. Comment that you're coming from the live stream. I'll really appreciate your support so that we grow together. And if you're new here, please subscribe. We are at 1,721. I really appreciate everyone. We were at 1719 and now 2 have subscribed. And please tell me if you have subscribed and you're subscribing from where, or watching the live from which continent. From which continent? Groups Tech is asking, where is 6 plus 7? 6 plus 7. So it is just a pattern that is flowing. You can comment. So welcome Tom Long. Yes, so we are told that don't doubt your answer. Don't doubt your answer. Just comment it and tell us why it is right. Tom Long is saying 39. So guys, let's see how do we get 39 from this pattern. Out Slays, you're welcome. Thank you. You watched. Saw you in my latest upload. You really supported. That's why I'm urging everyone. After the live, please remember to watch the latest upload on calculus. I'll really appreciate watching, goes all along to supporting the channel, so that you don't wanna miss my next live stream. So out slice, we have today a very nice pattern, math puzzle. Given that 1 plus 2 is equals to 5, 2 plus 3 is 10, 3 plus 4 is 18, 4 plus 5 is 28, and then you ask 5 plus 6 is equals to what? So give us your answer, comment why that answer is right. Then we shall really engage and see if it's true. And if you're watching for the first time, kindly subscribe, like, and share. So Algebra is saying 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. It's true. And then does it follow this pattern? Does it follow this pattern? Algebra is welcome. Grab stakes. Grab stakes, you are welcome. You're saying that the answer is 40. Please kindly tell us how you're gonna get 40 in this typical maths puzzle. How do we get 40 out of this math puzzle? How do we get 40? So grab stakes, welcome, you're new. Please tap that screen to add your like, and then please subscribe. Support by subscribing so that you support our live stream. Guys, don't forget to watch my latest upload on calculus. How I explained it, it was very amazing. After this, go and watch it on my videos, and then I'll really appreciate. So grab stakes, thank you for watching and subscribing. We are 1,000 721 subscribers, and I thank everyone for supporting. I really thank everyone who came along to support. So we have 5 plus 6. What could be the answer of 5 plus 6? Explained that 5 add 6, you want to get to 11. And Grubs takes up said the answer is 40. Thanks for those who are giving it a thumbs up. You can also support by super chatting so that we purchase a very nice camera for the live stream. Purchase a camera for the live stream, understand goes all along by. So what could be this? Do we get 11? Do we get 40? We are waiting for the pattern. Those who are liking, please keep up liking the live. Keep liking the live, and you should really appreciate. So who else have gone and watched that calculus in motion tutorial? It's uploaded it today. Don't forget to watch it and comment. I'll really appreciate. I should really appreciate. So now we have 5 plus 6, and we are told you just don't doubt your answer. Don't doubt it, just comment why it is right. Why that answer of yours is right. So some are saying that 5 plus 6 is equals to 40. Others are saying 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. So this is just a brain teaser math puzzle. If it is good, don't forget to like. So you want to see what can be the right answer here. At groups text is saying the answer is 40. Thank you for support. So those who are watching from UK, London, I know it's around 8 or 9 on the other side. Those watching from USA, it's in the evening. Good evening, the other side. And those watching from Australia, you are welcome. It's now in the morning. It's very early in the morning on the other side. Those working from it's also around 8 p.m. Those watching from India, you're now facing the midnight. You are in the midnight. So guys, you can comment where you're watching, but most importantly, can we solve this interesting math puzzle? Tricky one. Indeed, it is tricky, and we are told only 1%. Only 1% are getting this right. Given that 1 plus 2 is equals to 5, 2 plus 3 is equals to 10, 3 plus 4 is equals to 18, 4 plus 5 is equals to 28, 5 plus 6 is equals to what? So you're told just don't doubt your answer. Just comment and tell us why it is right. Which pattern is this? We have indeed a very common pattern that this math puzzle will follow. If you're watching for the first time, please don't forget, without watching my latest upload, please. It involves calculus in motion. I explained it using velocity terms and acceleration and time calculations. You can comment there, and then from there I will really appreciate. For here we are told 1 plus 2 is equals to 5, then 2 plus 3 is equals to 10, then 3 plus 4 is equals to 18, 4 plus 5 is equals to 28, 5 plus 6 is equals to what? Thank you for those who are liking. We are at 1,722 solid subscribers. I really appreciate each one of you who finds it necessary to support by liking, by commenting, by watching my tutorials and other live streams, turning your notifications on. I don't take it for granted. You can watch my latest upload. It involves motion and my other videos. So guys, you can just comment what could be the solution here and how right is it? How right is it? Thank you so much for those who are subscribing and finding it necessary to support by liking, sending a super chat or a super thanks here. There's a button somewhere here. It will go all along in helping us to purchase a camera for the live streams. will really go a long way in supporting us in our live streams. So this is a very simple but tricky math puzzle. A very simple but tricky math puzzle. So given that 1 plus 2 is equals to 5, 2 plus 3 is equals to 10, 3 plus 4 is equals to 18, 4 plus 5 is equals to 28, 5 plus 6 is equals to what? Kindly comment why your answer is right and tell us which rule satisfies these others. You are welcome. You're saying, I am here. Rojema, thank you. I saw you yesterday. Thank you, Rojema. Please don't forget to watch my latest upload video. I just explained CSE on calculus integration. Rojema is watching from Zambia. I really appreciate your support. Rojema, I am saying please don't forget to watch the latest upload on calculus in kinematics. It involves velocity, calculation of velocity, time, and acceleration. You can check it out and leave there a comment. I want to really appreciate. So Rojema, can you solve this and tell us which pattern satisfies all this? Can you find which pattern that best satisfies this maths puzzle? Shall really appreciate. Those watching for the first time. Remember to like this live. Turn your notifications on. Can you solve 5 plus 6? And tell us why your answer is right and not wrong. We shall really appreciate. Keep sharing the live so that we get more viewers. You can share the live. Tap the screen to like. Tap that screen to like the live. Rojima, I'm waiting for your answer. Can you solve this surely? So Jim Edward is saying, when will you show us the formula? So very soon I'm showing you the formula to this particular pattern. And Warden, I don't know, show me or I'm leaving. I don't know. Don't leave, Warden. The trick is that others have tried solving it above there in the comment sections. And we want to agree which is the best rule that satisfies all this. Some are saying that the best answer is 40. Others are telling us the answer is 11. But the answer 11 so let us see how do we find this particular solution to the math puzzle. Really appreciate those who are finding it necessary to like our live. Leave there a very nice comment. So Warden 205 wants to get the answer. Who is getting the answer so that you're gonna comment there? We help Word is also watching from where? Really welcome. Really appreciate you. Really appreciate you. You are welcome. You are really welcome. So guys, you can super chat us so that we purchase a very nice board or a very nice camera or a tripod stand so that we grow our channel. And we keep on bringing the live stream better version for you. So we are now at 1,723 subscribers who are very supportive. If you're watching this and you haven't supported by subscribing, please remember to subscribe. Leave there a comment. Watch my latest upload on kinematics. I uploaded it today. Please, you can watch it. It's called Calculus in Motion, where I explained how calculus relates to motion by solving velocity acceleration questions step by step. You don't want to miss anything. So here we are told, don't doubt your answer. Don't doubt your answer. Just comment why it is right. BODMAS is saying the answer is 40. Why is 40 correct? Does it tick all the boxes? Does 40 tick all the boxes? Rojema is saying, allow me to explain in a minute. Please do so. so that you help Warden, who is saying that he doesn't know what the output is. I really appreciate those who are subscribing. From the US, you are really welcome. Those watching from India, you know it's around midnight on the other side. Those watching from Africa, those from London in UK, those from Australia, really welcome. Thank you for always supporting. We have those who are in Lusaka, Zambia. Those who are in Lusaka, Zambia. Those who are in Nairobi, Kenya. So how do we solve this? Which approach best suits this particular maths puzzle, given that 1 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 10, 3 plus 4 is 18, 4 plus 5 is equals to 28. What about 5 plus 6? So this question has different approach to tackling it. Some are saying that 5 plus 6 is equals to 11, which is indeed true. That 5 plus 6 is 11. Rojema is saying that 5 plus 6 is equals to 40. And we are waiting for the explanations. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe. Turn your notification on so that tomorrow you don't want to miss the live stream again. Turn that notification on. Comment also where you're watching. We shall really appreciate. Jim Edward is saying you just take A plus B and then plus A times B minus 1. Let me apply it here. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then times 2 times 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 should get 5 minus 1. Does it satisfy also this? That is a very good insight. So you're saying a plus b plus a times b minus 1. A plus b, 5 plus 6, that is 11. Then take 5 times 6, that is 30, minus 1, you're gonna get 29. 29 plus 11, you get 40. But does it apply to the first one? I think the first one, 1 plus 2, 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 minus 1, you're gonna get 1. So taking that, you wanna get 4. So in this case, the first part is not being satisfied. The first part is not satisfied. So guys, please don't forget to watch my latest upload. Pass by, watch it, comment. It involves calculus in motion, a very nice tutorial. I uploaded it today. You can check it out. It's very amazing and interesting. So you're saying 2 times 1 is 2 plus, does this negative, Jim Edward, do you subtract in the multiplication side or the addition side? Does it apply on the addition side or the multiplication side? Beheshte is saying the answer is also 40. Beheshte, kindly show us how you're gonna get 40. Joseph Sakra is also saying the answer is 40. Welcome. You are really welcome. So Rojema is saying my wrong explanation goes beyond. I wish I was TikTok where I get to explain and while showing every step. So Win is saying the answer is 40. You are really welcome. So Win. Where are you watching from? Please remember to subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. So Rujema is saying, excuse me, my bold explanation as a theory. I wish to show a table I introduced for someone to understand where 40 came from. Thank you for the explanation and supporting Rojima. I hope you've explained. I've just followed it. It goes hand in hand in understanding.